Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best full bathroom set is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your home, transforming a utilitarian space into a sanctuary of relaxation and personal care. Imagine stepping into a perfectly coordinated oasis where every element, from the sleek vanity to the luxurious showerhead, works in harmony to create an atmosphere of calm and sophistication. This isn't just about functionality, it's about elevating your daily routine and adding significant value and aesthetic appeal to your living space, making it a worthwhile investment for any homeowner seeking comfort and style. Number 5. Space Jam, a new legacy LeBron James action figure. Bring all the on-court action from Space Jam, a new legacy, into your home with this incredible action figure. It's ready to join your collection. This action figure stands a huge 12 inches tall, making it a commanding presence. It's perfect for recreating your favorite movie moments. Press his chest to hear over 8 sounds and phrases straight from the movie. Relive the excitement with every press. This articulated figure is ready for any pose or play scenario you can imagine. Its joints allow for dynamic action. It comes with 4 cool accessories that easily attach to its body. These add even more ways to play and display. What we like? Bring the action home with this towering 12-inch figure. It speaks over 8 movie phrases and comes with 4 cool accessories. If you're a fan of the movie and love interactive toys, this is the ultimate collectible for you. What people say. The toilet seat is very comfortable and the bidet function is a game changer for hygiene. The sink is deep and spacious, making it easy to wash larger items without splashing. The shower head has multiple settings, from a gentle rain to a powerful massage, catering to different preferences. Number 4. ARIEL Stafford 84-inch double sink bathroom vanity. Experience superior strength and durability with our premium solid hardwood and plywood construction. This vanity is built to resist moisture and wear, ensuring a longer lifespan and a beautiful finish that lasts. Adorn your bathroom with a sleek, modern 1.5-inch pure white quartz countertop. Its non-porous surface resists stains and moisture, offering a low-maintenance solution that never needs sealing. Complementing the countertop are 2 premium, color-retaining porcelain undermount sinks. Enjoy their elegant design and lasting quality, designed for both beauty and functionality. Discover ample storage with 5 soft closing doors and 6 full extension dovetail drawers. Enjoy whisper-quiet operation and the luxurious feel of high-end cabinetry. This vanity arrives fully assembled with an open back for easy plumbing access. It includes the cabinet, countertop, sinks, hardware, and backsplash, ready for your chosen faucets and mirrors. Rest assured with a 3-year limited warranty and 24/7 customer support. We ensure your investment arrives safely, shipped on custom pallets to minimize transit damage. What we like? Experience luxury and durability with this expansive 84-inch vanity. It boasts solid hardwood construction, a premium quartz countertop, and whisper-quiet soft close drawers and doors. If you're undertaking a master bathroom renovation and desire a high-end, long-lasting centerpiece with ample storage, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The toilet seat is very comfortable and the bidet function is a game changer. The sink is deep and spacious, perfect for washing larger items. The shower head has multiple settings, providing a customizable and relaxing shower experience. Number 3. IMAVO 7-piece green bathroom accessory set. Elevate your bathroom with this comprehensive 7-piece set. It includes everything you need for a unified and stylish look, from a tray to a toilet brush. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this set is built to last. It's designed to withstand daily use and is simple to clean, ensuring lasting beauty. Maximize your bathroom's potential with its smart, compact design. It offers practical storage solutions without taking up valuable space, perfect for any bathroom size. Add a touch of modern style and a pop of color to your bathroom. These accessories not only look great but also serve a practical purpose. Ideal for your home, dorm, or hotel, this set makes a wonderful housewarming gift. Its versatile design suits any space and is sure to be appreciated. What we like? Instantly refresh your bathroom with this complete 7-piece accessory set. Made from durable, easy-to-clean plastic, it adds a vibrant pop of color. If you're looking for an affordable and stylish way to update a guest bathroom, dorm room, or as a housewarming gift, this set offers great value and aesthetic appeal. What people say. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my bathroom's aesthetic. Installation was surprisingly straightforward, and all parts were included. The quality of the materials used feels very durable and well-made. Number 2. 4-piece white cotton Turkish bath towel set. Experience the ultimate comfort with our bath towel set. These towels are designed to dry quickly and feel incredibly soft against your skin. Our towels offer superior absorbency, thanks to their 100% cotton construction. They are large enough to wrap you in softness and dry you efficiently after every shower. Indulge in the plush feel of these thick bath towels. Made from premium cotton, they provide unmatched softness and comfort for a truly luxurious experience. Elevate your bathroom's aesthetic with these elegant white towels. They blend seamlessly with any decor, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. Crafted for durability, these towels are built to last. They can withstand frequent use and washing, ensuring you enjoy their quality for years to come. Enjoy ample coverage with our generously sized bath towels. They are perfect for all body types, providing comfort and convenience for everyone in your household. What we like. Indulge in superior comfort with these 100% cotton bath towels. They are designed for exceptional absorbency and a luxuriously soft feel. If you prioritize a plush and quick-drying experience after every shower and appreciate high-quality, everyday essentials, this set of 4 white towels is an excellent selection. What people say. The toilet seat is very comfortable and easy to clean. The shower head has multiple spray settings, which is great for different needs. The Vanity provides ample storage space for all my bathroom essentials. Number 1. Lutron Caseta Plug-in Smart Lamp Dimmer Kit. Tired of fumbling in the dark? Simply plug your lamp into our smart dimmer and place the remote by the door. It's the perfect solution for any room, ensuring you always have light when you need it. Enjoy the convenience of wireless control. Mount the remote on your wall, in a J-box, or simply place it on a table for easy access. Control your lights from anywhere in the room. Need to dim your lights or just turn them on and off? Our plug-in device can do both. With a simple button press, you can switch between dimming and on-off modes to suit your preference. Unlock the full potential of your lighting by adding a Lutron Caseta hub. This allows you to control your lights with your voice through popular smart home assistants or set custom schedules and scenes via the app. Gain peace of mind knowing your home is always welcoming. Enable the Smart Away feature to simulate occupancy, making it look like your home even when you're not. This smart dimmer plugs into any standard outlet, giving you intelligent control over your floor and table lamps. It's designed for seamless integration with your existing lighting setup. What we like. Effortlessly control your lamps with this smart plug-in dimmer kit. It offers wireless control via a Pico remote and can be programmed as a dimmer or a simple switch. If you want to add convenience and smart home capabilities to your floor or table lamps without complex wiring, this is a fantastic and easy-to-install solution. What people say. The toilet seat is very comfortable and the bidet function is a game-changer for hygiene. The sink is deep and spacious, making it easy to wash large items without splashing. The shower head has multiple settings, from a gentle rain to a powerful massage, catering to different preferences. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.